Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making a yummy sweet recipe for festive seasons with less ingredients within 20 minutes. Let's start the recipe. Semolina 1.5 cup, milk powder half cup, baking soda 1 tablespoon. Mix all dry ingredients. Now add water half cup. Make dough. Keep aside for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take a pan, sugar 1 cup, half cup water. Mix everything. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Dough is ready. Make small balls. Ghee 1 tablespoon optional. Make small size balls. Shape like this. Sugar syrup is ready. Lemon juice half tablespoon. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. Now it's ready. Transfer to sugar syrup. After 15 minutes, ready to serve. If you guys liked my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Almond powder on top. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.